Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the Prosia Mini Spy Camera. You can get this product on Amazon for about $30. Check out the link in the description. The camera comes with two USB cables, a magnetic mount, a micro SD card and a user manual. The camera is small and lightweight. It comes with a pre-installed micro SD card. It has an on-off button, a mode button and a USB charging port. The camera has a built-in magnet, which makes it easy to mount the camera. First, I fully charge the battery. Charging time is about 1 hour and the working time is between 60 and 80 minutes. For continuous working, you have to attach the camera to a charger or a power bank. The user manual tells you everything you need to know to connect and use the camera. Connecting the camera with your phone and your Wi-Fi network is pretty easy. You just have to download the Video Zero app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and follow the instructions. I use the camera to watch my front door and the quality during the day is okay. Unfortunately, it's not a 16:9 format. During the night, when there's no light in the room, the camera only shows a black picture. If you want the night vision to work, you have to manually turn it on in your app. Unfortunately, the picture quality is not very good while using night vision. I tested the Spy camera for a few days and I think it's an interesting product. So if you are looking for a mini Wi-Fi camera and don't expect the best video quality, you might want to try the Prosia Mini Spy camera. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.